here we are. It's a full-grown campus. We are in the midst of a decennial celebration. Teaching learning process is the heart of any school system. I think it's well-being that we would be actually emphasizing upon. Visual literacy is something that you need more than literacy today. So whether it's excellence, whether it's sustainability, very easy to say sustainability, but how do you practice it? So my very, very simple message is walk the talk.
Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond the Bubble. I'm Roshni, a proud member of MRIS Ludhiana's Media Shala Club. Today, we are honored to have our esteemed principal, Ms. Shilpi Gill. With decades of experience as an educator and leader, she has been instrumental in shaping schools, fostering innovation, and creating joyful learning spaces. She led MRIS Ludhiana as its founder principal, and after an illustrious journey in education, she has returned to lead once again. Ma'am, it's truly a privilege to have you with us today.
Thank you, Roshni. Thank you very much for having me on your podcast. I am super nostalgic, This is 2014 when we had sown the seed of Manavishna International School, Ludhiana, and here we are. It's a full-grown campus. We are in the midst of our decennial celebrations. That's amazing.
Ma'am, you played a pivotal role in shaping MRIS Ludhiana from the ground up when it was just a building. What inspired you to take up this leadership role, and what fuels your passion for education?
So what inspired me to take up this leadership role way back in 2014 was, the pedagogical practices, the approach, the philosophy that Manavishna as an organization had, when it came to teaching and learning process. And as an educationist, I've always believed that teaching learning process is the heart of any school system. And, student centricity, which is one of the core values of Manavishna organization. So that was something, that has always resonated with me, and this is something that fuels me, that actually pushes me, that's my ikigai, to come to school every day.
Oh, wonderful, ma'am. Looking ahead to MRIS Ludhiana's next chapter, after celebrating its 10 wonderful years, we are curious to know that what vision do you have for the school's future?
Talking about the vision, I think I'd like to, I always believe to go by the fact. So, PISA 2022 report talks about well-being as one of the major reasons, for which, that is affecting the, the learning processes in school. Even the World Teacher Report 24, Global Teacher Report 24, clearly suggests that it's the well-being, because of which, the teachers are not opting to take up this profession. And by 2030, there'll be a dearth of about 33 million teachers in the world. So, when we look at those figures, and, when we look around where we have children, who are interacting with chatbots and, who are constantly juggling between the metaverse and the real world, I think it's well-being that, we would be actually emphasizing upon, and well-being of all the stakeholders, the teachers, the students, and the parents, everybody, who's a part of Manavishna fraternity.
Thank you for sharing that, ma'am. We truly believe that we will focus on the well-being of the students and teachers. Building on that, MRIS Ludhiana has always focused on instilling future skills and sustainability in students through innovative initiatives like Media Shala and Maker Shala. How do you think such programs will shape the future of education?
Roshni, it's very convenient to create buzzwords and, pick up jargon and say, 21st century skills, future skills. But what is important is, to create a culture, a space where children have opportunities to actually, develop these skills. So Media Shala and Maker Shala, of course, you see very, very promising initiatives of Manavishna institutions. In fact, visual literacy is something that you need more than literacy today. And that's the reality, because you see, when you see deep fake, and when you see these images, so it's very important, that children learn to read all of that. In fact, even as adults, because that's integral to safety. How do we stay safe? Because there's a life that we lead online, and it's a reality. And of course, when you talk of Tinker Shala, when you're doing something, using your hands, the kind of learning experience So it's not about activity based learning, it's about the experience that a learner has while learning. And that's, when something touches the core, it stays with you forever. So if we say no to rote learning, our answer is Media Shala and Maker Shala to that.
That's truly insightful, ma'am. We believe that Maker Shala and Media Shala are the future skills. Speaking of holistic development, education today is not just about marks but about mindsets. How does MRIS nurture students to be confident, emotionally strong, and socially responsible individuals?
So my answer to that would be, we create a space where children feel the fear and just do it. And why do I say that is, it's important, if we want to purge them of stage fear, we must put them on the stage. If we want them to, become people who prioritize health and fitness, like I had been talking about well-being, so talking about physical well-being here again. So it's important, that they learn to sweat it out. So sports are not simply, to acquire certain set of skills, sporting skills. It's more about, also those emotional experiences when you win or lose every day. So that's when, you learn to treat victory and defeat equally. You learn to restrain emotion. So there's a lot of focus, that we have on building resilience in our children. So that children who leave the portals of Manav Rachna International School after class 12 are not fragile beings. They're strong people, they're resilient people who can brave the vagaries of life and live a full life. So, that's where the focus or the priority on teacher-student connect. So connections is what we heavily invest in. Connections with teachers, connections of teachers and students, connections of leadership team and teachers, connections between school and parent. So you see, a lot of focus on connection, and that's how we are able to, speak with confidence that our children are confident people.
That's such a visionary outlook, ma'am. As the new session begins, what message would you like to share with the students and teachers to inspire and motivate them for the year ahead?
So my message is very, very simple. And, simple things aren't simple when it comes to, acting on them. And the message is that, we are going to be adhering to our core values, the core values, that we stand for. And we are going to be practicing them every day in the campus. So as responsible members of Manav Rachna fraternity, we are going to reflect upon, our day. We'll take a pause and reflect whether or not, we practiced a certain value that particular day, a value, that the school stands for. So whether it's excellence, whether it's sustainability, very easy to say sustainability, but how do you practice it? Are you using foil? Do you use a polybag? You see, it's very convenient. Excellence. How do you bring in excellence in your daily actions? How do you make it a habit? It's very important, to demonstrate values through actions. So my very, very simple message is walk the talk.
Your words are truly inspiring, ma'am. It's heartening to see your deep commitment to the well-being and success of the students, community, and school. We warmly welcome you once again to MRIS Ludhiana. Ma'am, it was a pleasure speaking with you today.
So likewise, Roshni, in fact, when I say walk the talk, or, we say that, we practice what we're saying. So through what, you've demonstrated today by, during this interview, the kind of joyful experience I have had. So I want to say Media Shala rocks.
And thank you to all the listeners and viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next episode. Toodles!